1988 Donruss wax pack box. I think we got this from McNulty Sports Cards. I don't remember. Probably did. Let's pull a couple of packs out of the box and see what we can find. Let's do 2 packs out the box, and then we'll do 2 packs of Leaf in the next video. Pack number 1. Now the puzzle piece for 88 is going to be Stan Musial. And looks like we've got his head with his cap there for the Cardinals. Jerry Reed, Manny Trio, Craig Lefferts, Bob Walk, Jeff Blauser, Frank Williams, Mark Grant, Steve Lake, Jeff Calhoun, Robbie Wine, Bob James, Gino Petrelli, Greg Minton, Joe Hesketh, and finally Eric Plunk. Okay, that pack could have been a little better. Let's see what we get in this second pack. I'm going to do 4 packs, but we'll just keep it at 2. There's our Stan Musial puzzle piece. Looks like we've got his chest and torso, like in a batting stance, it looks like. We've got Harold Reynolds, Keith Miller, Lester Lancaster. Let me show you something here, because this is how they... So these are the first 3 cards we got. Look at that. 563, 562, 561. Bet you these are going to go in order. They usually do. Ted Simmons, 560. So next should be 559. Jose Uribe. Yep. 558. Jeff Robinson. Dave Leeper. 557. Terry McGriff. 556. Wally Ritchie. 555, Rocky Childress, 554, John Tudor, 553, Dave LaPointe, 552, Daryl Miller, 551, Mike Lloyd, 550, and rated rookie of Gary Thurman. This might be the break from the numbering. Yes, 44. And let's see about the first pack. Oh, yeah. Look at the first pack. 503, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's very common with Donruss. They'll give you packs that have sequentially numbered cards, and I've seen that more times than I can count. So it makes it kind of easy when you're building complete sets, because you're not jumping around. You're going one number right after the other. And if you look at some of the lists I have of cards that I need to make complete sets, you'll see that you're going to have pretty much 15 cards checked off that you don't need right in a row, which makes it nice. Anyways, double shot of 1988 Donruss wax packs. 15 cards in sequentially numbered order. All right, let's do 2 packs of Leaf next. Thanks for watching.